Hello everybody. In this video, I will demonstrate you how to register a case. Registration of the case is the third stage of FORA. To register a case, go to Show menu. Then from the navigation panel, select Registration section and then select Case Registration. If the path is difficult to remember, just go to the quick search box just above the dashboard. Type case registration and you will get the shortcut. Click on case registration option. The registration of case window will open. This is the most important portion because each and every information should be properly and correctly filled. Now from the first box, that is filing number box, select the case number which you are trying to register. We have recently filed and removed the objection in this criminal case bearing filing number RCC 1440/70. As soon as the case is selected, the name of complainant, name of the advocate and other options which were filled at the time of filing are reflected. There is a small checkbox just beside the filing number which says copy previous case data. If we click this box, case type, case registration number and year will appear. So the importance of this particular checkbox is that if two cases are having identical fields, it can be duplicated using this box. So there would be no need to type the data again. But it should be done only in those cases where data is exactly the same in two cases. For registering the case, fill each and every field of the registration window. First, the name of the complainant which is already there. Then extra party count if there are. Name of the advocate which is already there. Bar registration number which is there. Email if available. Mobile number is available. Then address. Pin code, select the district, select the town, there, select the taluka districts, ward number, village, police station code, etc. Now we are having bilingual CIS and C2, hence information in both the languages is necessary. As soon as the information of complainant, that is petitioner, is filled, press the button save. If all the information is correctly and rightly filled, it will direct us to the next tab, that is the tab of accused. Name of the accused is already there. Then gender, his age. If he is differently able, then you have to click this checkbox. You have to mention the name of father or mother or husband of the accused. His date of birth if available. His caste if available. Extra accused if any. Advocate of the accused. Select the name of the advocate from the drop box. As soon as the name of the advocate is selected, the bar registration number will appear. Email of the accused if available. Complete address of the accused. Pin code. The district. Select the town, taluka, ward, village, etc. enter his details in Marathi, that is bilingual, and press save. Again, the information is correctly filled, so we are directed on the extra information. This is the extra information of the accused, that is his passport, his country, his PAN number, nationality, fax number, etc. All this information is to be filled. Then the act and section of the case has to be mentioned here. It was mentioned at the time of filing, so it has automatically fetched from there. Name of the police station is also fetched. You can also mention the name of the investigation officer if it's available. His belt number if available. You can mention that what is the nature of the trial, whether it is the session trial case, regular, summons or summary. It's an RCC case, so it's a regular trial. You can mention any other remarks of the offense. Again, the information in Marathi can also be filled here. Then press save. If there are extra parties, extra complainant or extra accused, it can be filled here. Then you can fill the case details, whether you are required to hide the parties, whether the charge sheet or plaint is in local language. Then click the registration menu. The date of the registration would be by default today's date. You can change it by clicking this checkbox, change registration date, but in that case you would be required to assign the reason for giving a different date of registration than today. You can give the date of hearing from here itself. So next date of hearing for this case would be 15 February. The purpose would be for awaiting warrant of the accused who is not present. If there can be sub-purpose, you can mention it here. After filling entire information, press case register case, this option. If all the data is completely and perfectly filled, the case would be registered and addition successful case number and the case number would be displayed. So the case has been successfully registered and it is numbered as RCC 357/17. So in this fashion, you can register a case which is being filed in CIS. Thank you very much.